Imagine this. You move out of a rented apartment, leave everything spotless, and within minutes your security deposit is refunded. No landlord drama, no delays, just a smart contract following the rules you both agreed on. Curious how smart contract works? Let's dive in. And don't forget to subscribe our channel if you want to take full advantage of blockchain and Web 3.0. What is a smart contract? Imagine you're building a trustless business agreement, say to send payment only if certain terms are met. A smart contract is simply code that enforces those rules. No need for a lawyer, server, or middleman. They're a game changer for tasks like verification, confirming whether a payment was made, digitization, converting legal documents into digital agreements, automation, sending rent to property owners on the first of every month. They're the programmable layer of a blockchain. The code runs exactly as written, with no room for manipulation. That's why over 1,000 DApps and $30 billion in value are secured across various DeFi protocols using smart contracts today. Decentralized apps, or DApps, are the user-friendly side of this blockchain magic. They look and feel like the regular apps on your phone, but instead of relying on centralized servers, they use smart contracts as their backend. Here's how they typically work. The front end is what you see and interact with, often built using tools like React or Vue. Wallet is your gateway to approve transactions. Smart contract backend is where the real action happens. Nodes and RPCs are infrastructure that connects everything to the blockchain. For example, when you swap tokens on Uniswap, the platform isn't processing your trade. Your wallet simply signs a transaction and the smart contract handles the rest. It's decentralized finance in action. The DApp economy is booming, with over 10 million users interacting with DApps every month. Aragon, a DApp that lets communities and DAOs run their organizations on-chain. From voting on proposals to managing treasuries, every decision is powered by smart contracts, transparent, tamper-proof, and automatic. OpenSea, the world's leading NFT marketplace, is built entirely on smart contracts. When you buy, sell, or mint an NFT, smart contracts handle everything: ownership, royalties, and instant transfers, without middlemen. Smart contracts are powerful, but they're also unforgiving. Once deployed, there's no undo button, and if there's a bug, well, hackers are often the first to find it. Common risks include re-entrancy attacks, where malicious contracts repeatedly call a function before the previous one completes. Unprotected access, allowing unauthorized users to call an action. Arithmetic bugs, errors like overflow or underflow in calculations. Front-running, when someone manipulates the system by jumping ahead of your transaction. Here's how developers minimize risks. Use trusted libraries like OpenZeppelin. Implement strict access control with only owner or role-based permissions. Follow best practices like the checks effects interactions pattern. Regularly audit code and run bug bounty programs. What's next for smart contracts? Account abstraction. Say goodbye to complex wallet management. Smart contract wallets offer easier recovery, gas fee sponsorships, and simplified transactions. Modular contracts. Developers can now upgrade or add features without rewriting the entire contract. It's like giving a robot a new arm instead of building a new robot. Kalp and OpenZeppelin already use this pattern. Cross-chain, DApps, platforms like Kalp are creating smart contracts that work across multiple blockchains, increasing interoperability and compliance. Smart contracts automate the logic. DApps make that logic accessible. Together, they're powering a decentralized economy that's transparent and efficient. Next up, we'll explore how real-world assets like real estate and gold are being tokenized on-chain. Stay tuned for Episode 9, Tokenization 101.
Download the Token Money Magnet app, subscribe our channel, and hit the bell icon now.